All right, all right, all right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information on cryptocurrency, what's going on in the market, cryptocurrency, buying the cryptocurrency, staking the cryptocurrency, mining the cryptocurrency, using credit cards from BlockFi credit card and getting rewards back in Bitcoin. Today we're going to be talking about AMP token. Yeah, guess what, everybody? It's up, up, up. It's up over double digits in the last 24 hours, like 13% or something. Hey, my AMP army, where are you at? Up 14, 15% in the last 24 hours. You got to be happy today on Saturday. So we're going to be talking all about AMP tokens. So don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up and coming videos. So on this channel, we're trying to help everybody learn about cryptocurrency. We want to have one day that everybody on the planet has cryptocurrency and they understand cryptocurrency. We're so at the beginning right now of everything that it's just super awesome. So let's go ahead and jump over to AMP token. All right, we're over here at Coin Market. Take a look at this. Up 13% in the last 24 hours. That's right, 13% up is AMP token. It's over 5 cents. All you AMP army that have been repositioning themselves when this was in that low fours, you're going to be loving it. Take a look at this. It's up 6.44% in the last 7 days. But I like that 13%. Go ahead and click on this right here. So again, AMP is the number 59th cryptocurrency right this second. Over to the right here, it's up 13% in the last 24 hours. That's what everybody's got to be happy about. We're over the 5%. Here we go, everybody. Get ready. Look at the circulation supply over here. There's only 46% of the coin in circulation. There's over half of the coin that will be in circulation later. That's fantastic. The market cap right over here, we got 2.1 billion in market cap right this second. Take a look how it's going up, up, up. Everything is trending upwards. One of the things that we like to talk about is clicking the holders here. So this is just one thing I kind of like to pay attention to everything. Over back here in July 18th, there was 27,000 people holding the AMP token. And so July 18th, if we fast forward a month to August 19th, it went to 36,000 holders. So again, 27 to 37, that's a 10,000 increase, but it's about a 40% increase in 30 days. August, so now let's go to September. It went to 41,000 holders. Again, going from 27 to 41,000 holders, that's a very, very steep increase in 60 days. But now today, there's 45, take a look, 45,000 holders of the coin, and 90 days ago there was 27,000. I mean, this is just fantastic, everybody. Now remember, it's our job too to go ahead and share the information with your friends. We want to get everybody talking about AMP token. Now we know there's all kinds of different things AMP token is doing, which we're going to talk about. But the more and more people that know about AMP token, the bigger and better this coin's going to go up. Now that it's over 5%, where's it going to go now? Okay, we'll come back to that at the end of the video, so make sure you stay tuned all the way to the end. Over here at the Twitter account, take a look at this. Just a few days ago, the new listing on AMP wallet is open and trading and has begun on Bittrex. So right here on Bittrex, we're going to go ahead and play this here. Yeah, little AMP token. His new listing is updated. AMP token available now on Bittrex. That's right. We got new things going on. So right here on the Twitter account, the new listing on AMP just a few days ago. Something that's pretty awesome. So jumped over here to Bittrex here. The building blocks of tomorrow support blockchain technology. Why trading on Bittrex is the most reliable crypto platform. So over here at Bittrex, AMP token is going to be on here. I mean, take a look at this over here for a second. So more and more things are going good for the AMP token. So I wanted to give you guys a little bit of here, the AMP crypto price prediction, where it will be in 2021 and 2025. So basically kind of checking this out. Crypto is getting a boost here. If you're unaware, AMP crypto is based on Ethereum. It is used on the Flexa network. It assures instant and secure transactions. This includes trades of other cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin. AMP crypto price prediction. You know, so up to Brian. What is up to Brian's going to say? So we're going to kind of go down here. So right here up to Brian, now he's given a price prediction to 2025, which again is only in about 3 years from now. Now, if we like to talk about 2025, the price prediction, they think that it's going to go to $4. Now, this coin is at 5 cents right now, everybody. If this goes to $4, no doubt it will reach a target easily because of the rising demand for this token in the cryptocurrency world. You will see growth in profits and it will become the most profitable in your portfolio. Up to Brian. You know, over here, when it comes to 2025, coin price forecast doesn't have a strong guidance as up to Brian. The website expects the coin to be traded around 42 cents by the end of the year. So 42 cents, that's what, about an 8x basically. So you got an 8x and you got this one right here, $4 is crazy. So with all that, AMP token is up again over 5 cents right now. It's up 13% in the last 24 hours. This is what we've been waiting for, everybody. So it's been in that 4s, 4.5, 4.6, 4.7. I've been talking about repositioning, get yourself in. Now it's over 5. We may not see it go under 5 again. We don't know. But good news is, here it is Saturday, and it's up 13%. So as all these different platforms are starting to adopt the AMP token, and as more and more people, thank you, Tom Brady, talking about what he's getting into, cryptocurrency, because as more and more people are hearing about cryptocurrency, it's just going to become a more stable thing that everybody knows about cryptocurrency. Flexa network, when people are basically using the cryptocurrency on their phone, and they're at these, let's talk about it right now, going to the gas stations. This is one of my big one right here, Sheets. Sheets becomes the first convenience stores to accept Bitcoin. And how are they doing it? Yeah, that's right. They partnered with Flexa. You know, so it says, look what it says here. Sheets, a major mid-Atlantic restaurant convenience store, basically is now accepting digital cryptocurrency payments. The leading digital payment network, providing customers with the ability to pay for their items, to fill up their cars and trucks and RVs at the pump using, hold it, wait it, using digital currency like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Dogecoin, and more. Above all else, our mission at Sheets is to continually provide customers with the ultimate one-stop shop where they can refuel their car, refresh their body. As a result, we are consistently innovating and improving new offers to truly give our customers what they want, what they need. This includes, you ready? Get ready for it. Includes accepting many forms of payments. We're very excited to work with Flexa to roll out the support of cryptocurrency. It's cryptocurrency and other type of digital assets in our store, Linda Smith, the payment manager of Sheets, says. Now here's the interesting thing. Take a look at this. So this is how many. Sheets will begin accepting digital currency at the Flexa. In how many stores, everybody? 622 stores. Where at in the United States? Pennsylvania, North Carolina, Virginia, West Virginia, Ohio, Maryland. Sheets customers also have the option to link my Sheets Rewards loyalty account when paying with the Flexa app. So again, as more and more platforms are starting to use cryptocurrency and Flexa's involved and AMP tokens involved, don't forget AMP token was created by Flexa. So they're basically, when Flexa's involved and AMP's involved, it's just win-win no matter what. So you go and want to take a look at this coin here. It's a Saturday. It's up right now. What do you want to do? We all been talking about how it hasn't been really climbing, but it's climbing today, 13%. Leave your comments in the bottom. Let us know what you think about this little increase today. Jumping over here to the AMP tokens website, let's take money into the 21st century. AMP basically provides assets like Dogecoin with instant variable assurance for any real-world application. So a couple things that they do, they stake it, they send it, they repeat. Stake, AMP is an extensive platform for collateralizing asset transfers. By staking the AMP, any form of value exchange can be guaranteed. Digital payments, fiat currencies exchanged, loan distributions, property sales, and more. When you send the AMP, once you stake it, AMP is ready to collateralize as a transfer with the use of collateral pools. AMP effectively decentralizes the risk of asset transfers, especially suitable for fraud-proof networks and real-world applications. Boom, and then you repeat. AMP is also simplified network rewards. AMP also simplifies the network and rewards. Once a transfer is complete, AMP smart contracts offers a variety of built-in incentive models, including micro distributions and continuous compounding. All kinds of great things going on at AMP token here. Going up to the top, using the AMP. Right here it says how to stake your AMP, how to stake your AMP. Now here's all the basically information. Connect your wallet. You would connect it. Go ahead and you click it. So AMP is on the rise right now. So pretty interesting stuff. Now, again, all our information on this channel is for educational purposes only. My prediction is I think the AMP token is going to get back up to that 12 cents by the end of the year or the beginning of the year. That's what I'm thinking. All kinds of other people are thinking $4 by 2025, 42 cents by 2025. I've had things on the channel that people think it's going to get from 30 cents to $1. Now, again, you want to do your research. Good news is today it's actually up about 13%. We also want to jump over to Robinhood real quick and just feature a couple coins that are just doing absolutely bonkers right now. Wanted to go over to Robinhood, take a look at the Bitcoin, 61,000. Bitcoin is up, 61,000. I just wanted to show you that. Don't forget, the reason I like Bitcoin is at the bottom here. It's very easy to kind of pay attention. Look what it was doing a week ago. Bitcoin was at 55,000. And look, you can actually just kind of move along. And over at the top, it has the day and the time. And you can see what the coin was doing at that. You can click the 1M, which is 1 month ago. You can see where it's going. Take a look at this, everybody. 3 months ago, Bitcoin was 29,000 on July 20th. So on July 20th, it was 29,000. What's it doing today? 61,000. So Bitcoin is up. Take a look at this. Ethereum's almost kissing 4,000. It's jumped up to 3,900 right now. It's got a big steep going up. So Ethereum is kissing literally 4,000 right now. What was Ethereum doing about 3 months ago? Ethereum 3 months ago was at 1,800. It's at 3,900 right now. Again, I love the Robinhood platform, how you can make it so easy. What was Ethereum a year ago? Well, a year ago on December 23rd, 2020, Ethereum was $585. I mean, so if you got into Ethereum last December, you're really happy today. So with that, just wanted to feature a couple of those. AMP token is up right now. Everybody's got to be happy. Usually when it's down a little bit, I'm getting people are leaving things that why doesn't it go up? But it is going up. Don't forget about Tom Brady tomorrow. On Sunday, he's going to be talking about what he's getting into and all his friends are getting into, and he's going to be calling everybody. And guess what he's getting into? You got it. The same thing we're into, cryptocurrency. You got to like Tom Brady. If you're not a football fan, maybe you like Tom Brady because he's going to let everybody know about the cryptocurrency. Don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. We're going to share this information. It's Saturday. Everybody have an awesome day today. Don't forget to click right here to see our most recent video. We bring you a video Monday through Friday around 1 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. Saturdays and Sundays, we usually bring it around 3 or 4. Today, I'm bringing it a little bit earlier to you. And then once in a while, I even bring you a bonus video when there's something that pops real good, and I want to make sure you have it. I don't want you to wait till the next day to get it. So I do throw some bonus videos in here. So everybody have an awesome day. Frank from Frank's Crypto Corner.